It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our CNC 30. It's a 1980 model. It's in great shape. Has a little standard horizon GPS chart plotter there. It's a CP 180i, so it's a color unit. It's a chart plotter, tells you where you are, tells you your speed, etc. Nice little unit there. Has a nicer Dodger on it with beautiful stainless steel handholds on it too. It's a 1980 model CNC 30 built by the premier yacht builder of the time in Canada. Has a faux teak and holly floor in the cockpit. And then when we go inside the boat here, beautiful interior. It's been lovely upgraded. New upholstery in the main salon. It has a synthetic teak and holly sole through the bottom of the boat. Really makes the boat pop when you walk into it. No funky smells. Has the original owner's manual on board. What a nice clean boat. The teak's all in great shape. No water stains anywhere. Turn around in the galley here. You can see you got a three burner propane stove with oven. You got manual water only. You got a refrigeration. There's your shore power outlet, your battery isolator switch. Dinette table turns into double, a single on the starboard. Forward you have a V-berth and a head compartment area here. You got a manual head with holding tank. Walk through to the V-berth there. Nice condition. Boat's in beautiful shape. Priced aggressively. Please watch our startup video too. PacificCoastYachtsales.com. 30 plus years selling boats in the Pacific Northwest under the Pacific Coast Yacht Sales banner. I'm the owner. I'm Philip. I started the company over 30 years ago. I've been in the boat business my whole career. This is a great one. This is a nice little boat. Somebody's going to be able to go sailing, go cruising inexpensively with assumable moorage. The engine was rebuilt, I understand, and we're going to do a startup video. I think it was rebuilt around 900 hours. The last two owners on the boat have really kept the boat in nice shape and really upgraded it. So please watch my startup video on this boat. It's a CNC 30 1980 model. Please watch our startup video.